What's going on, guys? It's a beautiful day outside, so I thought I might as well go for a drive on the coast. Let's see where we're headed. Alright, let's start her up. And the dash cam is turned on. Alright, we're good to go. I just pulled up to Gunnar Beach on my first stop along Highway 35 to go check out the only Taco Bell you'll ever see on the beach. Let's go grab a snack and continue on our journey. Long line for Taco Bell out here on the beach. Since the line's super long, let's try using the mobile app to see if we can kind of adjust this. And looks like it's good. Sadly, no spots outside to eat, so let's break open the box. That's a view you don't see every day from a Taco Bell. I figured on a Sunday it would be very busy, but I was able to get my box with my kind of interesting type of life hack, I guess you could call it. Just because obviously I was in line and then I used the app, got it within 5 minutes, and I passed everybody else. Now off to the next stop. Behind that one driver who goes 35 into 50.
We have reached the bottom of the 6th inning for another.
I finally was able to find parking, which using the Park mobile app, finally able to just pay without having to find coins, since all these accept coins. For those of you who have never ridden the Giant Dipper or been to the Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk, the Giant Dipper is one of a few roller coasters that they have. I'm on my way to go grab some tickets and then we'll go for a ride. Alright, got me a boardwalk card. And now getting in line for the attraction out here, the Giant Dipper. Now to pick up one of my old favorites, hot dog on a stick, which began on a beach. Every time I come by, I always gotta pick up a hot dog and a stick, which I wish that there were more at the mall. But, you know, that's more to come. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know what you think of the comments, and always suggest things that you want to see in the comments as well. Like it and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in.